Hello everyone, welcome back. We are solving chapter 12 problems, and in this video I'm going to go over problems 13, 14, 15 and 16. Let us get started without further ado. Okay, so chapter 12, question 13. One method of measuring the extent of a firm's market power is, we have Lerner index, we have cross price elasticity of demand, and we have price elasticity of demand. We talked about this. Lerner index, the higher the Lerner index, the more market power goes up. Okay, cross price elasticity of demand for substitutes, right? This is a positive number. You want this to be small. The smaller it is, the market power is higher. And price elasticity of demand, right? Price elasticity of demand. You want price elasticity of demand to be smaller in absolute value for market power to be high. Okay, you want it to have inelastic demand. So even if you increase the price of product, you want quantity demanded not to go down too much, just a little bit. Okay, so Lerner index, correct. Price elasticity of demand is correct. Income elasticity of demand is not at all correct. It is all about inferior goods or normal goods. So both A and B are the correct answers. Okay, question number 14. In a monopolistically competitive market, alright, firms are small relative to the total market, absolutely correct, like restaurants, gyms, and majority of the companies in the market. No firm has market power. Absolutely not. They have some market power. Okay, so no firm has market power, only happens in perfect competition. Okay, they do have market power. They set their price. So A is correct so far. There's easy entry exit in the market. This is correct too. So A and C, E is the correct answer. This is the importance. This question and all other questions shows you the importance of reading all the options. Question number 15. Which of the following would indicate relatively large market power? So large market power, Lerner index needs to be high. Price elasticity of demand needs to be small in absolute value, and cross price elasticity of demand needs to be small, positive and small. So the goods cannot be substitutable. High price elasticity of demand, elastic demand means no market power, so that's eliminated. Low cross price elasticity of demand with other products is correct one. Low Lerner index, nope, low market power. So correct answer is B. And let me talk about cross price elasticity of demand. It looks like this. For instance, it's a percent change in price of good X and the response to that in the quantity demanded of good Y. This is, let's say, Coca-Cola, and this is Pepsi. Okay, so price of Coca-Cola goes up, quantity of demanded for Pepsi will go up, right? Because they're substitutes, so positive number. But I want this substitutability to very small. I don't want people to run away from Coca-Cola and switch to Pepsi. That would be lower market power. Okay, so yes, it's going to have this impact, but I want it to be small so that you have market power. All right, so the last question we're going to go over is, let's delete this. Last question we're going to go over is question 16. Refer to the following figures showing demand and marginal revenue for monopoly. Perfect. If the production costs are constant and equal to $10, long run average cost, long run marginal cost, what price will the monopoly charge? Perfect. So $10 are long run average cost curve. Specifically, marginal cost curve is $10. So what we do marginal revenue equals marginal cost to find the optimal level of output. So marginal revenue is here, intersects marginal cost at this point. Okay, so here the optimal level of output is Q, I'm gonna call it star, 100, 150, 200, 150. Start from the optimal level of output, go up, hit the demand curve, stop. Read it off of the y-axis. So price a monopolist charge is going to be $20. And that concludes our video. I'll see you in the next part.